All right, Brian here again. You know what that means. Another day, another ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Today I'm here with Boy Scout Troop 349. Yeah! Who are helping me with this one. I knew they were going to be prepared, but it looks like they're prepared to drown me. So hopefully I make it through this one and I live to see another day and another Ice Bucket Challenge tomorrow. So if you guys are ready, go ahead, Pop. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Down, baby!